Hey everybody! Genesis is pleased to announce the release of our newest feature in our Genesis Classic system. Our email integration with Gmail and Outlook is now available. To begin using it, you'll go up to Utilities and User Setup. On the right hand side, you'll have Gmail and Outlook credentials. Put in your email address, make sure to include your password, and choose your provider from the drop-down. Once you've done this, you'll notice on the top right-hand corner, you'll have your email. You click on that, and it will open up your email within your management system. You'll want to minimize this and keep it at the bottom. When you go into a customer's file, first, make sure that you're getting your customer's email addresses, because if there's no email address, then the integration won't work for that customer. On your tabs, the one to the very right is going to be your email. When I click that, I'm going to see all of the email correspondences sending and receiving from this email address. So anything that I've sent that customer or received from that customer will be here. I can click on it, view it, or reply to it. Hope this is helpful. Thanks.